What's up, Robo? What up, dude? Oh man, I'm gonna check to see if it comes through, but I'm sure it will. Right there, 12:06. 69.36 days left in this event by my calculations. Well, yeah, and of course, all my measurements. I got them all over the place. This is how I scribble my measurements. I'm cataloged more better, but yeah, of course you see the time is 12:06, right? 12:06, 12:07. I'm not sure that's gonna come in. But those are measurements. That's my smaller of the two telescopes. I just use that, you know, for observations, not for detailed. And Mr. Narubu, he ain't got one of these either, right? You got one of those, you know, observations. You gotta observe. But we got 12:06 and all these calculations, and you know, been raining all day here in the Midwest. So, of course we're looking south. I want the light to blind you guys. You see how that's like west, and darkness is gonna be crossing, so, but it's real light over there, and let me go get my umbrella real quick. Oops, I should have did this inside. Alright, boom. Alright, so again, like I said, so now you begin to see, even in the rain, which sometimes is a good thing because the clouds knock down all of the unnecessary light, leaving, just color. And now you see how you see it over there. It's, orange, boom, right there. It's gonna be, and that one right there, and then the dark one is right there. Dark one's right there. So it's swinging around, and then the other dark one. Okay, see how it's dark right above the street lights? See how it's dark due west? It's the dark side of the planet, and then you got these two, smallest of the three gas giants, is that little greenish glow. And of course, all of the debris off of that planet going and swooping around. That's actually a planet. It should get windy in a second, man, because I told you, Snoop, got this stuff calculated. See, it's all calm and everything, but it should get a little windy. In fact, I feel it getting it already. But, like I said, boom, check it out. You see how it's dark that way? And it's light right there. You got the little orange above the house, and it's big darkness right there. See? Big darkness. So, again, calculate. Now, on right, which I probably am, it's going to get windy. And that's my cue. So, no wind really. But that's cool. See how the difference in colors? I know the street lights in the way. Wish I could knock that out a little bit. I can't. And I'm not going anywhere to go film. No need to. Documentation. Yeah, you see? Yes. Spinning through. See the dark one was over there. Now it's inching closer to the pole. Darkness is. And then that one's inching that way. Because they spin it. That's. See, dude. See, this one cat, man. Man, this one cat, man, Steve Olson, man. He started his video, like, I got these calculated, man. Right. You know how much work it takes to calculating these things' orbit? Do you really know? I mean, you know, you calculated how, where, with what? What'd you use to add and subtract? Huh? Where'd you get your, you know, coordinates and stuff? Huh? How did you read where Earth was? Man, come on, dude. Come on, dude. You lying to your people, man. Talking about you calculated something. Doubt it. Highly doubt it. You might see a sort of pattern. Yeah, of course. But you're never gonna be on. You're gonna be sitting out there. It's gonna be a clear sunny day. Cause you don't know how to act. See the darkness? That is sweet. You know, takes a lot. You gotta measure stars. You gotta get your star catalog out. You gotta accept the coordinates. You know, you gotta use arithmetic to get those. You know, and then you gotta correlate other things too. Where the sun rises and set, where the moon rises and set when you get the opportunity. See right there. See right where the light is. Man, wish I could knock out that light, but I can't. I'm sorry. But yeah, let's see how the color. And you just I hate to bike on you, Mr. Olson, but damn, dude, you talking about how to get rid of lens flares? Well, stop looking into the light source. Duh. I mean, what? I really, man, dude, really. If you're looking into the light source, you're gonna get a flare some way or another. People say, hey, but what about these obscure, dots and stuff? Well, that's the light being rebounded off the planets. You get flares from that too. So sometimes when people have a separate light, you're actually seeing a planet, but they don't know that. They dope heads, and I keep telling you that. But if you want to eliminate lens flares, my lord, common sense. Stop looking into the light source. Duh. I swear, man. It was like a 9-minute video, and you talk about how to basically. I don't even know. You need listen. If you want to look into it, you know the glare of the light source. You need no welder's glasses. You need UV 400 rated blue blockers with an orange and red tint. Understand? You understand? I mean, that's what you need. 2 of them work good. You get a freaking star chart at any novelty store. Get a freaking star chart at any novelty store and do some calculation. It's easy. See how the orange? See? How the orange is getting bigger now? See? And I'm sitting here blabbing. See how the dark moving away? And that dark is moving that way, and that dark is moving that way. And the orange is, you can even tell. The orange is dipping down that way. Can't you tell? My God. I mean, I take the freaking big planet, orbiting, rotating, and moving away from us. It's not hard. 4 minutes. You could take 4 minutes out of your freaking day and just check it and say, hey, okay, I can see it moving away from us. These things are leaving us. Okay? I can see it rotating, and I can see it moving away from us. My God, I don't know. Lord have mercy. Because what people are out there spewing and claiming to have knowledge on the subject are dope heads. Are just complete dope heads. I listened to that Gil guy today. Dude is a dope head. Anybody listens to that guy, he is, they were live feed, whatever. And they shouldn't be live feeding. Okay, cool. Show us something. But they show us a picture of biblical scripture. Okay, so you don't show us nothing to back up your data. You don't show us nothing to back up your biblical theories. You don't show us anything that proves that what you're saying has some kind of plausibility. Nothing. And you guys are trying to sit here and talk in scientific terms, using big words like orbit and rotation. I mean, come on. Come on. If you want to see for yourself the Earth and how it's shifting, just watch a NASA live feed for 30 minutes and watch the Earth rotate. Man, it ain't that hard. Really, guy. Really, I really, you know, and all that is holy and glorious, man. Man, I don't even know. I don't even know. I mean, really, and these guys got like 70,000 subscribers. Really? And you show us 6 pictures in a 59-minute video? Really? Come on, man. And then you go off into these, discussions that have absolutely nothing to do with what's on hand. And I just still trip. I trip on that, man. Oops, I gotta change hands. I gotta trip on that because, man, I swear, it is just totally mind-boggling. I mean, one person asked the question, what makes the trumpet sound? And that Gil Broussard couldn't even answer it. Couldn't even. And then after I answered it, all of a sudden, Mr. Olson's got the answer. Oh, okay. Okay, sure. There's tectonic plates. No, it's harmonic tremors. You didn't even get it right. It's harmonic tremors. Deep earthquakes create noise. That noise travels through the rock of least resistance. When it reaches the surface, it's released in a harmonic tremor. The second way we get trumpets in the sky is the atmosphere is vibrating like a guitar string, because Earth is being, Earth is being tugged. It sometimes it's compressing the Earth, making it more whiter in the center. What does that do to the atmosphere? Well, it stretches it, and then what happens when the atmosphere snaps back? Duh, it vibrates and it makes a sound. It ain't hard. And this guy Gil, and now you're trying to tell me? Now you're trying to tell me stuff? Right, man. Yeah, this guy really knows what he's talking about. All of them, they really know what they're talking about. They really do. They really do, man. And the comments are from people are just mind-blowing. Steve, you're the greatest. Man, that was some fascinating pictures. When do you think it's gonna hit Earth? February 6th. Oops. March 11th. April 23rd. Oh, June 14th. Oh no. July 20th. No. August 10th. August 23rd. September 23rd. August 10th. August 21st. Man, dude. Have a hard time predicting when the next time he's gonna piddle. And he's talking to me. Right. But you see the colors. To the south, southeast. I mean west. Sorry. Now I'm a dopehead. But still, when somebody is fake, like CNN, and they sitting there and they spewing stuff, and they telling you this is news, and you're going, huh? Huh? Really? For sure. Sun simulator. Flat Earth. Sure. Yeah, we're living in a petri dish. Sure. You guys, man. Kills me. But that's what it looks like. It's awesome looking. Because you see how the planets, you see how it's coming down? Now the orange is being overtaken by this one, the big one. See the big one? It's all dark over there. See the big one? It's just shading that planet over there. And those two are getting light from the underneath stars because the sun is on the other side. See? That is sweet though. But I had to come out here and, man, just be thought provoking, that's all.